In this video, I will be showing you how to use CJ Dropshipping on Shopify tutorial. So all you have to do is simply go to any web browser, and if you don't have an account yet, then you need to sign up. Now, what is this CJ Dropshipping? E-commerce sellers can benefit from CJ's dropshipping services, which include product sourcing, order processing, product branding, bespoke packaging, and even shopping services. Currently, CJ Dropshipping provides dropshipping for almost 400,000 products in a number of different categories. The platform has easy connectivity to WooCommerce, Shopify, eBay, and other major e-commerce platforms. But of course, our target or our focus for today is Shopify. The finance aspect. With the help of CJ Dropshipping, you may reach a global consumer base and manage your e-commerce store from any location. So at this side right here, you can see shipping method. Okay, we have also delivery time and like days, how many days. So you have your idea of when your delivery or the package will arrive. Okay, so we have also other options here, but this time let's tap this register if you don't have an account yet. If you have an account, all you have to do is to click sign in. But this time let's register first because we are new to this CJ dropship. So here they will ask for your email address, password, confirm password, and then if someone invited you, then all you have to do is to toggle this one on and then agree with your term and services and then click next. You can also log in or sign up using this any social media accounts right here. Okay, so since we have already entered some information and created an account, this is what CJ looks like or CJ Dropshipping looks like. Now let's go to Shopify. If you don't have an account on Shopify, you need to create or tap this start free trial if you want to just, test something or if you just want to know how to use Shopify. Okay, you just have to answer this basic questions, or actually you can skip all and answer this later. Tap next. And then after everything here, and then you have created your Shopify account already. So yes, this is what it looks like, but we will not be focusing on this first. Let's go back to CJ Dropshipping. Okay, so this is what it looks like again. And in order for you to connect your Shopify or in order for your CJ Dropshipping to be connected to your Shopify, you just have to click this My CJ here. Now you have some options, but you have to scroll down and look for this store authorization. Tap this arrow facing down below. Then here you will see this, okay, websites and stores. So what we're going to do is to simply click this Shopify because we want to connect our CG dropshipping account to our Shopify. Once you tap this, and then you will see this options and features right here. So what you want to do is just simply click this add store and then you can read the information and instruction here. And then once you understood everything, then you can click authorize. Okay. So once you tap this authorize, then you will see this notification that you have to install CJ Dropshipping because actually we have already logged in our Shopify store here. So click install and then it will take you to another page. Now here you have to let this app, or you give access to this application so you can see some instructions and information here once you're okay with this. Okay, so all you have to do is to click install. Okay, so this app needs access to the following. Okay, so after you tap install, then you have to wait for a couple of seconds and then authorize this drop shipping to your Shopify store. Okay, so authorization success CJ will help you make drop shipping business much easier. Now that your Shopify and CJ is connected, everything will go on smoothly. Okay, so to start with everything, you can just simply go to your home page and then look for that product that you want to add to your Shopify store. There are tons of trending products here. And all you have to do is to scroll down and look for that specific product. Now you can also go to the upper side and see some categories there. If you can find this product here, then you can search the product's name directly if you have, or if you have the URL of the product, you just have to paste it right here and then tap this magnifying glass. Then you will see that product, and all you have to do is to click this connect or list. Okay, so let's just say this one. If I tap this and click connect, okay, or if I tap the product from CJ, then this is what it looks like, and you can see some information here. Okay, so you can choose if you want this color or whatsoever. Now, if you tap this connect, it will take you directly to another page. Here, you can now authorize the store, which is, of course, you have to choose your Shopify store here, because maybe if you have other stores than Shopify, it will appear here. But since I have only Shopify store, so when I click this arrow facing down or select store, I can only see my Shopify. So tap this one, and then after that, you can click this specific sync. And that means whatever products you have in the store, it will be synced here, or whatever products you have here, it will be synced to your Shopify store. So if you tap this one, then you have to wait for a couple of seconds, and then this one will appear. Now you can add some information like story plate and also product name. If you want to be very specific, if you have tons of products and you want to be very specific with that product, okay? And then once done, you can click sync. So as you can see, you have this button that says connect. But if you tap this one, it will say here, or a notification will pop up. Please pin the product you want to connect to your store. Okay, so as you can see, I cannot pin this because this is not from CJ. So what I'm going to do here is to go back to my CJ Dropshipping homepage and then tap or select a product. And this time I have to put them on the list. Okay, so let me tap this list, and then here I can now, modify some changes here. It's the same thing, okay? So enter your store, enter some information, or shall I say, you just have to select some of the information here. Since you can see this arrow facing down, all you have to do is to choose whatever selection is there, whatever choices is there. Okay, so we have here product type, we have here vendor store, we have here image. Now you can deselect some images here that you don't want to be included to your store. Okay, and then yeah, that's it. So let's just say just want to include this, and I don't want to include others. So it's okay if I don't select this other variants right here. Okay, so yeah, I think it's pretty much okay. Now let's go to shipping method, and then all you have to do is to select that shipping method that matches or that's available to your country or to your region, to your place. Always remember that, of course, the fee or transaction fee or the shipping fee also may vary, or it's not the same. So always pick the one you prefer. Okay, so for recommendation listing price, if you don't know what prices you want, then you can tap this one, and later you can change or you can edit this. Once done, click list it now, and then wait for a couple of seconds, I guess, not minutes. And then if you want to see if everything is okay, you can click this listed right here. It will take you directly to CJ Dropshipping listed area or section. There you will see all the products that you have imported or listed to your CJ Dropshipping store. Okay, and then here what you want to do is to click this one. And if you want to edit something, you just have to click and, change everything here. But once it is on your CJ Dropshipping listed area section, probably it will also appear here on your Shopify. Okay. So whatever is listed there, you will see it right here. Okay. But if this product has been added to your Shopify, you can still, or you can just change everything here. Okay. So just in case you want to change the heading, the font style, the font size, if you want to add some images, if you want to delete images, if you want to add something, some features, some tags, or other things that you can see here on Shopify that you can see on CJ Shipping, you can do it right here. Okay, like variant colors or other features. Okay, and then once you're done, then all you have to do is to click save. Then whatever you see here or whatever you have added again, or if you add some products to your CJ Dropshipping listed section, it will also appear here. So that's how easy it is. You just have to create CJ Dropshipping account and Shopify, and then select products from CJ Dropshipping, and then put it on the listed area or section, edit it, and then you will see it here on your Shopify. You can edit again also. So that's it. Now you can go back to your J Dropshipping homepage and add more products, edit, and then add it to your Shopify store. So here is my Shopify store. I can clearly see it here on my CJ Dropship. Okay, so everything is really connected. So that's how easy it is, everything. If you wanted to start drop shipping, all you have to do is to install this CJ drop shipping to your Shopify store. Actually, you can also see this when you go to your Shopify app store, search for CJ drop shipping, and then install it. Okay, so this is just another method, but if you want easier way, then you can do that, go to Shopify and then look for CJ drop shipping and then install it. Anyways, this will make it possible for the orders, inventories, and items to be synchronized across the two systems once CJ Dropshipping and Shopify is connected. You can now begin adding CJ Dropshipping products to your Shopify store and that your account is connected to Shopify. After importing goods from CJ Dropshipping into your Shopify store, it's important to efficiently handle orders and inventories. And you can simply track inventory levels and execute orders with the help of the CJ Dropshipping application. Okay, so which offers a seamless interaction between your platform or with your store. Okay, so they can also, help you optimize product description and images for better sales. And shipment and tracking data can be synchronized between CJ Dropshipping and Shopify to guarantee a smooth customer experience and lower the amount of questions about your order status. So this is just one of the major advantages of connecting these two platforms here. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.